Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little bit of an experiment tonight. My youngest son has got a small buck shot. Good shot. We know that the deer didn't go far. Don't know exactly where he went, but we do know that the deer was hit good, and we do know that there was blood on the ground. But it's been raining for about 2 hours, and we track a lot of deer for the public, and we hear people constantly say, well, can you come before it starts raining? Because once the rain hits, it's going to wash the trail out. And that's not necessarily the case. A guy on our group today made a post about the blood not washing off the trail. It actually helps the dog. If it's, like I said, it's been raining for 2 hours straight. So we're going to put this dog on this track and see what happens. Well, Eli is hooked up. We got it here clanking, Coco. Several different ways. I've got it set line. What kind of spurs you got? All right, Corey has shot a little buck. He's made a good shot, but we just want to kind of prove a point. It's been raining ever since he shot the deer, and we have people constantly contact and say, well, we need to go ahead and get this track found before the rain washes the blood out. Well, that isn't necessarily the case with the dog. When it rains, it intensifies that trail, makes it easier to follow. So we're going to see what Platt does with it.
Got him about right here.
Is he going to make a loop? Is he going to pull your arms off? So we need to stay put?
Yeah, just for a second. The deer made several different loops out here. Should be right in there somewhere as they went in.
I'm not too concerned about him finding it. Corey shot the deer and it made a loop, so that's what the dog's doing right now. If he figures out that the deer made a loop, he'll cut it. He won't even mess with making the full circle. When he cuts back across the trail, he'll just take it. It's been an absolute pleasure owning that dog. But I just wanted to show everybody. Now this is a dead deer, double lung. We think anyway. But I just wanted to show you. No, he's laying right there. Just wanted to show you guys about the blood trail and a dog. Now this don't count for a fine under that dog's belt because it was a gimme track. Didn't know where the deer was at. This isn't a plant. We didn't know where the deer was at. But I just wanted to show everybody what the dog does with the blood in the rain. It's been pouring down rain for 2 hours. He shot the deer. We shot the deer an hour and a half ago.
Yeah, it was 10, 15 minutes before shooting light.
Super. When it just makes it super, super easy for the dog.
Good man, can I go?
All right, there you go.